People sometimes use the compound personal pronoun myself in a way that sounds almost correct, till we look at it more closely. Here's a way to avoid the grammatical faux pas of saying myself when you really mean I. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and the problem arises when we use myself along with another noun or pronoun. For example, suppose my friend and I were enjoying some blueberries. I might say, my friend and myself enjoyed some blueberries. It almost sounds correct, but watch what happens if we take away my friend. Myself enjoyed some blueberries. Here, if we added the pronoun I, the sentence would be correct. I myself enjoyed some blueberries. But if we want to include my friend, what I really need to say is, my friend and I enjoyed some blueberries. The same kind of problem can arise in a sentence like this. Our friends gave some blueberries to my friend and myself. Watch what happens if we take away my friend. Our friends gave some blueberries to myself. Here, what I really mean is, our friends gave some blueberries to me. So if I want to include my friend, I need to say, our friends gave some blueberries to my friend and me. What questions do you have about grammar? Feel free to share them in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. That will be useful for both you and me.